The 6 teams, I will call out their names. Please. Okay, we have honorable mentions first. These are teams that just missed out getting onto the stage. We have... नाम में क्या रखा है यार? No, there's no yaar, but नाम में क्या रखा है? Keat World School. Can you guys stand up? So everyone, give them a big round of applause. Missing out on the tie break. Soumyajit Das, Aniket Verma and Bharat Garg. The Rowdy Boys, Modern School, Barakhamba Road, Atme Gupta, Parth Bhatia and Aryan Manha. Missing out on the... Where are you guys? Yeah. Okay. And Team Horcrux from Mount Abu Public Schools, Devansh Mehra, Rishabh Serawat and Vaibhav Putola. Where are you guys? Stand up please. There you are. So on the tie break, number of star questions, etc. Just missing out. Okay, the teams now, I will call you guys out. Please, as I call your name, stand up, walk up here. We'll have music to lead you in. The first team coming up, Nikhil Kumar Pathak, Nivedit Mishra and Ravideep Singh from Ahmedabad School, Gorakhpur. Pushpa and Manpreet from Ami Public School in Hisar. We are called Akatsuki. Is team F. 2 positions left. Another team from outside Delhi. APS Nehru Road, Lucknow. Ganesh, Vedant and Aditya. Who is Maniacs? The last team that's going to join us on stage for the final, they are going to be Team B. They are one of the top scorers. There was a tie for the top score. This is Pavas, Aniket and Tushar from Modern School, Barakhamba Road. Kaise ho gaye? Those are the teams that have made it through. You guys come up on stage, Team B. I don't unfortunately have time to give out all the answers up front for the prelim, but I will give them to you through the quiz so that you guys know what all you missed out on. Okay? Your mics, tell us who you are, which class you're in, and very quickly, your favorite science fiction hero. Yeah. Quick.
My name is Milind Sharma. I am from class 10th, Springdale School, Pusa Road. And my favorite science fiction hero. Well,
It could be a character, it could be a negative character as well.
I think I'll go with Darth Vader.
Fantastic.
I'm Japneet Singh, Springdale School, Pusa Road, Class 9, and my favorite science fiction character is Darth Vader.
So I am Raghav Thanda from Standard 9 as well, from Springdale School, Pusa Road, and I don't have any favorite character in
You don't have any favorite character, you don't like science fiction. You prefer all the Twilight saga. Next up, we've got Modern School, Barakamba Road. Intros all round. Yeah, speak into it.
Yeah, I'm Pavas Basin from Modern School Barakhamba Road, and I'm not that into science fiction to have a favorite.
You prefer the ticklet kind of. Yes. Okay. He's also won a lot of prizes on Thailand, so maybe if I said Ong Bak would maybe his favorite fictional character.
Hi, I am Tushar Goswami. I am in class 11th, and my favorite sci-fi character is Captain Nemo from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Captain Nemo.
Hi, I'm Aniket Joshi from Modern School Barakhamba Road. My favorite science fiction is Salman Khan from Kick.
Salman Khan from Kick. Your favorite science fiction. Why not?
Hello.
5 extra points, laughter points for a good answer.
Hello, I'm Aditya Singh from EPS Nehru Road. Not really into science fiction.
Not into science fiction. You also like Salman Khan. Yes.
Good morning, my name is Pranay Mishra from IPS Nehru Road, and I'm also not into much science fiction. I don't have any favorite science fiction characters.
He doesn't have science fiction characters which are favorites.
Hi, this is Shwetang Dikshit representing APS Nehru Road, and I also don't like any science fiction character like
Okay,
this.
so none of them goes into science fiction, so they lose 27 points right up front of the place. Okay? Next up, Hisar.
Hello everyone, I am Himani Pradashni. My favorite science fiction character is Doctor Who.
Doctor Who.
Hello, I'm Manpreet from class 12, APS Hisar, and I don't want science fiction either.
You better watch science fiction, otherwise you guys will also lose 20 points.
Hello everyone, I'm Bushra and my favorite science is Doctor Who.
Doctor Who, okay. She's smart. She quickly modified Jugaad.
Good morning, my name is Nikhil Kumar Pathak. I don't like any science fiction, but my real heroes are those with the stars on their collars, on the shoulders.
And for academic excellence, which also has 2 stars on it.
So, but those stars are not
You
the
earned
same.
it.
Yes.
So let's not downplay that. You earned those stars. You have to earn the stars.
Good morning, I am Nivedit Mishra from Army Public School, Dholakwa, and my favorite science fiction character is Professor Brand from Interstellar.
Professor Brand from Interstellar. And the third member.
Good morning, I'm Ravideep Sethi from APS Dholakwa, class 11th, and my favorite science fiction character is Doctor Doom.
Doctor Doom. So the negative characters seem to be between. Last team on our table.
Hello, my name is Kishore Mudgal. I am from ABS Shankar Vihar, and I don't have any favorite science fiction character.
Favorite science fiction characters?
I am Himanshu Rohila from APS Shankar Vihar, and I like science fiction so much. I don't have a favorite character.
You like all of them so much?
Morning, I'm Vijay Murli from class 10th from APS Shankar Vihar, and I like Iron Man.
Iron Man. Okay. Tony Stark. Coming in somewhere at the end of the proceedings. We have 6 rounds of quizzing for the teams here on stage. We've got lots of audience questions for you guys because we've got lots of audience prizes to give away. And the 6 teams will all get prizes. You all get merit certificates. You all get medals. 1, 2 or 3 clues. Clear? First clue of the first question coming up for the audience. It's an audio track. Here it is. Play it, please. Okay, that's your first clue. Do you have an answer for me? Would you like the second clue? Second clue, text IC 8947, 3rd Battalion, 1st Gorkha Rifles. Elizabeth Katanga Bomb, former Chief of Army Staff. Yes, you already won a prize?
I don't want a prize.
No. There are other people with hands. You can give a prize. Yes.
Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria.
That's correct.
Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria is correct. Can you get a prize across to the young man, please? Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria. Okay. 30 points if you get it on this. Next clue. IC 6400. 13 Kumaon Regiment. Rezangla. Jammu and Kashmir. Hospitals. For 20 points. Third clue is a visual still. Third clue, visual still, please. You see the Assault symbol on the opponent that indicates the rank. Major. Okay, audience, yes, at the back there. Yeah. Major Shaitan Singh is the correct answer. Okay, you can repeat what you said.
Major Shaitan Singh.
Major Shaitan Singh is the correct answer. The Battle of Rezangla, in which approximately 20 men of the Charlie Company of 13 Kumaon held off repeated waves of Chinese attackers. Over 1,000 Chinese soldiers killed in that action at the cost of 120 or brave Indians. Question 3 coming up for you in APS Nehru Road. Audio track, first clue for 30 points. Here it is.
सांबा सेक्टर में दुश्मन का मेन डिफेंस फिलौरा शहर में है। पूना उसका टास्क दुश्मन के फिलौरा डिफेंस को बर्बाद करना है। मेरा अनुमान है कि इस टास्क को पूरा करने के लिए हमें दुश्मन के टैंकों से लिथल और फिलौरा में मुकाबला करना पड़ेगा। शुरू की लड़ाई के लिए सी स्क्वाड्रन लीड करेगा और रेजिमेंट हेडक्वार्टर उनके।
You have the answer of this?
Lieutenant Arun Ketrapal.
Lieutenant Arun Ketrapal is incorrect. No points, I'm afraid, APS Nehru Road. Audience, anyone trying off this one? Yes, the young lady here.
Colonel A.B. Tarapur.
Colonel Adashit Barsarjeet Tarapur is correct. Second clue, 10 points would have given you IC 5565, 17 Pune Horse, Filora, Sialkot sector, Pakistan, Posthumous, and the third clue was the visual still. But that's alright, you tried for the 30 points, that is brave of you, Nehru Road. Next question coming up for you, APS SR.
जिंदगी ने साथ छोड़ दिया तो क्या हुआ? कम से कम सिपाही की बंदूक तो उसके साथ है।
साहब, इसको बड़े बड़े ब्रेकिंग हो गए। ये सिस्टम की डिटेल्स कहाँ साहब? पहले बॉडीज को नीचे लेके जाने का बंदोबस्त करो।
APS SR, 30 questions.
Manoj Pandey.
Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, 1st Battalion, 11 GR, Alubar, Batalic Sector, Kargil. 30 points. Fantastic work. Both himself and the other team on stage. Can you have a little more applause? 30 points today. Very frankly, Ajay Devgan playing Captain Pandey doesn't really fit, although he did a pretty decent job. APS Dholakwa, first clue for 30 points, audio track. Play it, please.
सबको मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार। मैं आज बहुत ही भाग्यशाली हूँ कि आप सबको मिलकर मेरा दिल, दिमाग, जोश, होश इतना बुलंद है कि मैं चाहता हूँ अगर दोबारा भी रिटायरमेंट के बाद मौका मिले तो मैं करके कुछ दिखा सकता हूँ अपने हिंदुस्तान में।
Okay, actual voice of the Paramveer Chakra.
Bana Singh.
Nine Subedar at that time, Bana Singh is correct. 20 points to APS Dolakwa and APS Shankar Vihar. These guys are the last. So it has gone 0-0-0, 30-30, and up to you to complete the series. Let's see if you can get this one. This is the third party voice. Listen to it clearly and tell me the name of the Paramveer Chakra award.
परमवीर की दास्तान जिसने खेमकरण के जंगे मैदान में पाकिस्तान के होश फाख्ता कर दिए, जिसके सटीक निशाने और बुलंद हौसलों के आगे पस्त हो गया पाकिस्तान।
If you're not sure, you can always ask for the next clue. Second clue for 20 points. 263-9885, 4th Battalion Grenadiers, Khemkaran Sector, Punjab, posthumous. If you're still not sure, you can go for the clue, which is the visual. Third clue, the visual please. The image.
Abdul Hamid.
Company Quartermaster Havaldar Abdul Hamid is correct. You get yourselves 10 points onto the score sheet. And we close out round 1 with a question for the audience. Here it is. Listen to the audio track. Put your hands up. Don't shout out the answers. Audio please.
परमा और मलाया में नाम कमाया। यहाँ दिल्ली में फसाद रोकने की जिम्मेदारी हमें दी गई, जिसे हमने बखूबी निभाया। आज कश्मीर को बचाने का मौका हमें दिया गया है। हमारी 4 कुमाऊं रेजिमेंट के फर्ज कैसे निभाएगी, इस बात का जवाब मैदान जंग में दिया जाएगा। रेजिमेंट को हवाई जहाज से रवाना।
Okay, in the blue shirt. Hold on. Let the mic come to you.
Dhan Singh Thapa.
Dhan Singh Thapa is incorrect. We'll come down to the. Hold on. Let the mic come to you.
Major Somnath Sharma.
Major Somnath Sharma is correct. The first person to be awarded the Paramveer Chakra. So we will give the chance set of AV clues. It's called double team. Every team will get 1 question. You get 20 points for a correct answer on the dialect. Otherwise, it passes for 10 bonus points. First question coming up for you guys for a prize. Put your hands up. I want you to tell me which very popular international hit song inspired this popular Hindi track. Rasputin by Boney M. And this song featured in the film Agent Vinod. You guys actually saw Agent Vinod. Okay, who played the role of Agent Vinod in the second version? It was Saif Ali Khan. Who played the role of Agent Vinod in the original 1970s film? Yes, in the back there.
Vinod Khanna.
Vinod Khanna is not correct.
Raj Kapoor.
Raj Kapoor in the 70s? No. Okay, I'll tell you what. We will come to this answer after the quiz. Till then, you guys think who it could be. Okay? And we will move on to the teams. First question coming up for you, Springdales. Take a look at this video and tell me what happens next. Volume up, please.
If for any reason she is unable to fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck to both of you. Miss Universe 2015 is...
Okay, what happens next? For 20 points.
Steve Harvey first declares Miss Columbia as the Miss Universe, but later he apologizes and announces that Miss Columbia was the first runner-up and Miss Philippines is the Miss Universe actually. Okay.
20 points. Steve Harvey, the co-host of the Miss Universe contest, wrongly announces Miss Columbia as the title holder, whereas he was supposed to announce her as the first runner-up and Miss Philippines as the winner. 20 points to Springdales. You open your account. Modern Barakamba, your question coming up. Simpler question. Name the band. Coldplay it is. And the song is called Adventure of a Lifetime. And 20 points to Modern Barakamba. Next one coming up for you, APS Nehru Road. Next question. This is an upcoming film. It's based on a particular historical real-life incident. Which incident is this clip based on? Watch the clip.
ये राहुल देख तेरी ऐड आ रही है टीवी पे ये लड़की लग रही है
मुझे कितनी अच्छी चल रही थी ये एयर होस्टेस की जॉब छोड़ कर दी I like my job.
Yes, APS Nehru Road.
This upcoming?
Once.
Hello?
Yeah.
This upcoming movie is based on the life of Neerja Bhanot, who served as an air hostess on board of one of the planes on which hijacking took place, and she sacrificed herself to save the people on the plane.
And was awarded the Ashok Chakra. Lots of times it's good to give the whole story, because even if you don't tell me the actual name of the incident, I will know that you know enough to give you the points. 20 points to APS Nehru Road. This story based on the life of Neerja Bhanot, air hostess on board Pan Am Flight 073, which was hijacked, and she died. She gave up her life to protect the passengers on board the flight. 20 points there. Next film clip coming up for you, APSSR. Name the film, name the director, name the hero, name the villain, name the whatever. No, just name the film.
That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world, there's room for everyone. The good earth is rich. We can provide for everyone. The way of life is free and beautiful.
Okay.
We have lost the way.
APSSR.
The Great Dictator.
The Great Dictator with the
Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie Chaplin playing the role of the barber, playing the role of dictator Hanoi Hinkle in the film. 20 points to APSSR. And the next question coming up for you, APS Balakoa. It's an advertisement. You have to tell me the name of the product that is being advertised. Right. Name the brand. What's the product that's being advertised here? Yes.
Oreo.
Oreo biscuits, not Oreo biscuits, passing for 10 points to APS Shankar Vihar. Sit it on.
Amul milk.
Amul milk is the correct answer. 10 points on the pass to Ami Public School, Shankar Vihar, and the chance to pick up 20 points on the direct if you can give me the correct answer to your question. Name the artist you're going to see in a video singing a song from one of his albums.
But no one's ever left me quite this soul. Your words cut deeper than knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life.
He's singing along with the
Got a feeling that I'm going
I'm assuming you know the song, you know the artist, and you're going to get 20 points. Okay, stop it please. Answer.
Shawn Mendes.
Shawn Mendes is the correct answer. 20 points to APS Shankar Vihar. And audience, your question, name the singer. Name the singer. Shut up immediately. I will go with the first one that came out. Yes. No, with the specs. Wait for the mic. No, yeah. The guy who's standing right now. Sexy. Behind you.
Vishal Dadlani.
Vishal Dadlani is the correct answer, and the film is, of course, Bajirao Mastani. Okay, that brings us to the end of 2 rounds. We'll take a look at the scores at the end of these 2 rounds. Before we go into round 3, the scores. Springdale School, Pusa Road, 20 points. Modern School, Balakhamba Road, 20 points. APS Nehru Road, Lucknow, 20 points. APS Hisar, 50 points. APS Dholakwa, 30 points. And APS Shankar Vihar, 40 points. So all the teams up there, all the teams in the hunt. It's called crosshairs. In this, we will ask each of the teams to select a subject on which they will get a question. If you answer the question correctly, you get 20 points. Otherwise, it passes for 10 bonus points. Okay? We start with the team that has the lowest score, and in this case, since all 3 of you are tied on 20, we'll start with Springdales. Springdales, your subjects are up on screen. What? Choose a subject. Tech. Technology is what I've chosen. For 20 points, Springdale School, Pusa Road. Remember, other teams, that technology cannot be chosen again. Okay. It's a visual question for you, Springdales. Name this semi-secret research and development facility. Okay? It's a visual image. That's the logo. Something with a little index number there.
Google X.
Google X is correct. And what is Google X? Would you like to tell us something about it?
It works on semi-secret projects, which Google will be developing for the future technologies, new markets which are undiscovered yet.
So the markets aren't even there, but they're making products.
They are making the markets.
So they're really thinking ahead. Those markets may never actually happen. There's a risk for that. But 20 points, Google X, Springdale School, doubling their tally, and the next one coming up for you, modern. FIFA World Cup. Who is the only goalkeeper in FIFA World Cup history to win the Golden Ball trophy?
Oliver Kahn.
Oliver Kahn, chosen well in Modern School and Springdale. Without batting an eyelid, they get the answer to the questions that they have selected. 20 points to Modern School, APS Nehru Road. Your question coming up, your selection. You've still got Olympics, Star Wars, mountains, business, automobiles, hardware, or India. Mountains. It's a visual question. Identify this peak, which has a name that translates to elephant's forehead. If you look at it closely, it looks like the head of an elephant with the ridge of the trunk coming down. What is the name of this famous mountain peak? It translates as elephant's forehead. $20 points on the direct. Otherwise, it passes for 10 bonus points. APS SR, APS Dholakwa, APS Shankar Vihar. Hathi Gumpha. No, it's not Hathi Gumpha. Passing for 10 bonus points to APS SR. Come on, guys, you have to be quick.
Kilimanjaro.
Not Kilimanjaro, that is always covered with snow. Dholakwa. Three, two, one.
Arihant. Arihant.
Arihant, not Arihant. APS Shankar Vihar. Passing. There are no negatives, so you have to try and guess. Fingernails.
Rock of Gibraltar.
Rock of Gibraltar. Seaside. Passing to Modern School.
Gaj Mutt.
Gaj Mutt. No, it isn't. That was your direct, right, Nehru Road? We have to go to the audience now. Okay. Yes, the young lady there. Not Hathi Makka. In the middle here. Anaimudi is the correct answer. Anaimudi, which translates to elephant's forehead. And the highest mountain peak in southern. 2, 1. I have to pass. Nisar, coming across to you, Dholakwa. Three, 2. They're also passing. APS Shankar Vihar.
Death Star.
The Death Star. No, it wasn't the Death Star. Springtails coming across to you.
Vulcan.
Vulcan. It's Star Trek. Captain's what? Mr. Spock's home planet. Modern Bharatama. Tatooine is absolutely wrong. Jupiter. Jupiter does not. You are the guys who lost 27 points now. Science fiction. Okay, there's the young lady standing up there. She wants to answer. Can we get a mic across to her, please?
Venus.
Not Venus, child. Okay, hold on. We'll come across to this side in the light blue shirt. Yeah.
Camino.
Yaga? Of one particular person. Who was the prototype? Yes, the young lady there.
It's Jango Fett.
Jango Fett is the answer. Can we get a prize across to her as well? One prize there. Well done. Jango Fett. And that brings us to the end of round 3. We will go into round 4.